Hi there, I'm Ken, and these are the Parrot Hydrofoil drones, Nuzi and Orek. First, you will need to assemble the hydrofoil. Download the free app Free Flight 3 on your smartphone or tablet. Make sure your battery is fully charged. To charge the battery, use a USB cable to connect the mini drone to a power source. Then insert the battery. Before each takeoff, put your airborne drone on a flat surface. The initialization will automatically start when the airborne drone has stopped moving. Connect your smartphone or tablet via Bluetooth. When the LEDs switch from orange to green, your airborne drone is ready to fly. Open the Free Flight 3 app and make sure your mini drone is updated. Attach the mini drone to its hydrofoil structure, like this. Select the hydrofoil mode, and now you're ready to sail. For more tips, subscribe to our channel.